Alright, so tonight we are going to make cream cheese pancakes, and they come out a lot like crepes. I love them because they taste a lot like French toast, honestly, and they have very little carbs in them. There's literally 2 ingredients in it, so it's super easy to make. The only thing that you have to get used to is flipping them in the pan. That takes practice. So, I'm going to turn the oven on. So you're going to do 4 ounces of just Philadelphia, the regular cream cheese. And if you can, take it out and warm it up first. Let's see. So we'll cut that.
Okay. To Grandma. From Eva. I know Grandma loves you. I love you.
And we're just going to take half of that.
Now I'm going to make one for Ace.
What's nice is that, like, tonight I'm going to make regular pancakes for the rest of the family and then have the crepes for me. And then the other ingredient is eggs. And you do 4 ounces of cream cheese and 4 eggs. And you do the full egg in there. And 4. Right, and then I just have it in the mixing bowl, and then I'm just going to use the regular KitchenAid mixer, but you can use the hand mixer too. I'm just going to beat that on high until it gets all mixed together. Alright, so you can see I have it mixing in the mixer right now, and then of course I'm making the kiddos their regular pancakes on there. Although they've tasted mine before and they like them, it's just a whole lot easier for me to make these for them, so it's okay. Alright, so it's all done mixing. We're going to take it off. And I'm just going to scrape a little bit of cream cheese off of here. Now, it's not like a completely smooth mixture. It's going to have a little bit of chunks of cream cheese in there, so don't be alarmed. You see it. I'm just going to take butter and grease up the, and grease up the pan. Mom's always multitasking. Alright, we're going to just pour some right on there. You know what? Since it's just for me, we're just going to do it all on there. So you can do like a couple if you want. Since it's just for me today, I just put it all on there at the same time. Watch your hands, Peepsy.
I was just looking at it.
Get all the cream cheese out of there.
Cream cheese?
Alright.
Okay.
Put that over there. You can see what it's looking like. Again, you can kind of see some of the cream cheese, but just remember as it heats up, that's going to melt and all blend in there with it. Dude, these are so, like, seriously, these are so good. These are one of my favorite go-to recipes, and it tastes just like you're eating French toast. It's so good. So you're just going to let that cook. It's not going to take that long. You do need to watch it just like you would a standard pancake. Alright, now we're going to flip it. So it's pretty well, when you shake it, you can see it's pretty well done from one side. Now, a lot of the key to flipping it is, one, don't be too hard on yourself. I mean, it's all going to end up cut up anyway. And 2, loosen it up from the sides. the middle, loosen it from everywhere. Well, it's somewhat okay. But again, like I said, don't be too worried about being perfect. It's all going to end up cut up on your plate anyway. I wish I could say I was some, Gordon Ramsay chef or something, but as long as it tastes good, that's what matters. Okay, now I'm going to cut it just so I can check that middle. And it doesn't take a whole lot for this to cook. What, baby? What?
I'll talk to you when I get home.
Nope, they look pretty good. So we're going to take them off. All right.
Come here, Beef. Can you give Grandma a hug, kiss, bye?
All right, we're going to dish these up.
Oh, I love you, sweetie.
And off. And we'll take a little bit of butter. All over the top.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Alright. And I'll show you the finished product in a second. Alright, and there is finished product. Put some whipped cream on the inside, wrapped them up, and put some whipped cream on the top. And there's the rest of the family's pancakes.
He's asking me about practice.
If you know what's good for you, give these a try. Alright, bye everybody.